What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Manufactured Housing Expert channel. Today we're going to be taking you to an all-age community in Anaheim where we are going to be putting a brand new manufactured home. It's a nice, small, quiet community. It's very, the neighbors are close, they have different functions, but today we are going to be taking you through what it takes to get the lot prepped when you're putting a brand new manufactured home in a leased land community. So stay tuned. And if you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring that bell to be notified when we premiere new videos. We premiere new videos several times a week. We also appreciate all the love you can get by hitting that like button. We're here for you. If you have any questions, ask them in the comment section. See you there. All right, so this space, we're going to be putting a 24 by 56. As you could see, there was just a single wide right there, and it was angled this way. So what we're going to do is we're going to have it parallel this line over here. So the new home, we're going to be clearing everything. I'll take you through all the cleanup we're going to be doing, but as you can see right here, there's a white string right there that goes all the way down. We are going to put the new home 9 feet from this string, so it's going to come to about right here where you see the scallop brick, and it's going to go straight back. So this home is going to have a 14-foot wide driveway. If you've been following us, you'll notice that most driveways are probably 10 to 12 feet. So this is a nice large lot that is going to have plenty of parking. These axles right here were underneath the old home. Unfortunately, we could not recycle them. They're beyond repair. So we had to get some new axles and tires. Check this out. Take a look at how old these are. So a lot of times when you're removing an old home, it's preferred to be able to use the wheels and axles if they're underneath the home. But like I said, oftentimes these homes were built in the 60s and placed underneath the home, and so they're typically not in condition to be able to reuse. We're going to be removing all of this, all the plants, trees, bushes. That big plant, this one here, the big tree back there, plus this bush all the way in the back, but we're going to keep the bigger trees. We're also going to be removing that shed. So we're looking at this concrete pad here. Back in the day, a lot of times they poured solid concrete. Take a look at this big concrete pad that we're going to be removing. So there is a lot of work that needs to be done. We're also going to be removing all that asphalt. And the biggest job of getting this lot prepped is not removing all this junk. We have these utilities that are going to be in the middle, would be in the middle of the home. So what we're going to do is we're going to take them and move them. We're going to move them this way so that they'll be on this side of the home, on the carport side. It's not too big of a job, but it's something that we try to prevent. We always try to prevent moving utilities, but in this situation, the best thing was to move the utilities so we could fit a larger home. We're gonna have a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom Fleetwood manufactured home on this space. So if you have any questions pertaining to purchasing a new manufactured home, the lot prep, the setup, any of that stuff, drop a comment below, or you could contact us at 866-720-2207.